Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Goan pudding. First, gather your essential ingredients, including rich coconut milk, fresh eggs, and traditional jaggery for that unique sweetness. Using fresh coconut milk truly elevates the flavor, but quality canned options work well too. Remember to have all your ingredients at room temperature for a smooth, consistent mixture. Next, gently melt your jaggery with a splash of water over low heat until it forms a smooth syrup. In a separate bowl, lightly whisk the eggs with the coconut milk. Be careful not to overmix, as this can affect the pudding's texture. Once combined, slowly incorporate the jaggery syrup. Pour this delicious mixture into a greased baking dish. Now it's time to steam your pudding. Place the dish in a larger pot with simmering water, ensuring the water level is about halfway up the sides of your pudding dish. Steam for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely before chilling. Once thoroughly chilled, your Goan pudding is ready to be enjoyed. Slice it neatly and serve, perhaps garnished with a few toasted nuts for added crunch. For a delightful twist, try adding a pinch of ground cardamom or nutmeg to the mixture before steaming. It truly enhances the aroma and flavor. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.